So children, now observe this figure 4.4. This will be your question. This will be your homework. You are supposed to observe this graph and answer the question, which is given below figure 4.4. So this will be your homework. Now this you are going to do by yourself. Understood? Now come to Brazil. Now here we are going to learn about Brazil's climatic condition. What is the condition and what type of rainfall and how the climatic condition is there. Because of vast latitudinal extent of Brazil, it experiences wide range of climatic variation in climate. For example, near equator it is hot, while temperate type of climate is found near Tropic of Capricorn. Brazil gets rainfall from southeast trade winds and northeast trade winds. Already I marked your answers in previous map, Brazil map, that Brazil is having various climatic variations. That means it is having various wide range of climatic conditions. And this place receives or Brazil gets rainfall from southeast trade winds and northeast trade wind. Parts of Brazilian highlands extend up to northern coast. If you observe the map of Brazil, physiographic map of Brazil, you can see clearly that parts of Brazilian highland extend up to northern coast. The great escarpment act as an obstruction to the winds coming from the sea, cause orographic type of rainfall in the coastal region. So Brazil receive orographic rainfall because of great escarpment. Beyond the highlands, the effect of these winds get reduced. You know, when the winds reduce, that place is known as rain shadow area. As a result, the rainfall is minimum. This region is rain shadow region. This region is called drought quadrilateral. Understood? The western part of Brazil, the eastern northeastern part of Brazil, extreme eastern part of Brazil, near Great Escarpment, that part is known as drought quadrilateral. Considering the temperature in Brazil, the northern part of Brazil is hot, while temperature in the southern part are temperature in the southern part are comparatively lower. So children, northern part of Brazil is temperature is very hot because it lies near equator. But as we go towards south, the temperature is somehow mild. It became comparatively lower as we go towards southern part of Brazil. Seasonal variations are found in this pattern. That means so many types of seasons are there which happen in the southern part of Brazil. Near equator at Brazilian coast, temperature does not vary much. So naturally near places near equator, the temperature is somehow same throughout the year. It is not very much. It is same throughout the year. In the coastal region near equator in Brazil, differences in temperature are negligible. You know, coastal region, the temperature is very hot and humid climate. It doesn't change so easily. So the temperature is negligible. That means very less changes are there. The winds move in the vertical direction in this region. Similarly, the convergence zone of the trade wind is weak here. As a result, cyclones are not formed. That is why tropical cyclones rarely visit the coast of Brazil. So the cyclones, the condition of the cyclone is that they need hot and humid climate, which is very less in the coastal area of Brazil, especially if you go to the eastern part, that is near Great Escarpment region. So that is why cyclones are not formed, though it is they receive rainfall through northeast or southeast trade wind, but the cyclonic conditions are not formed. Whatever the maximum rainfall they receive through at the place near equator, but as we go towards south, the temperature is comparatively low and the rainfall is somehow very less in southern part of Brazil. So, as a result, tropical cyclones rarely visit the coast of Brazil. Most of the part of the country lies in tropical zone. The equator passes through the northern part of country. The temperature is more in this region. Already we know that near the places near equator the temperature is very high. The average temperature in Amazon Valley is 25 degree to 28 degrees Celsius. So the average temperature is in between 25 to 28. The climatic the climate is cooler in highlands because of the proximity to the sea. The coast experience mild and humid climate. The Amazon Valley receives around 2000 mm of rainfall, while the northeastern coast receive 100 to 1000 to 1200 mm of rainfall. So already we know that places near equator they receive maximum rainfall.